Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it should be a monitor. It should be a 7-inch monitor. So before I carry on talking about it, we're going to do the unboxing, or the out of box anyway. I bought this on Amazon. It cost me just under £250. So it's not cheap, but you get what you pay for, hopefully anyway. It's sold by a company called DV, which is Desview. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Well, that's how I'm pronouncing it. So I bought it through Amazon, like I said. And good bit of packaging Amazon. So yeah, nicely packed by Amazon. So I'll get that out of the way. So let's have a look around the box. So it says Desview up there. It's R7, it's a 7-inch, designed for revolutions. It says full touch screen. So you just touch it and it does things, but I believe it has a wheel on the top as well to go through the menu. So if you don't want to do the touch screen, you can do the wheel. As 3D LUT, 4K HDMI input and output. So it takes a HDMI in and a HDMI out. So it's like a pass through. So that's really good. Has a brightness of 1000 nits. So that means it should be really good outside. So perfect for if you're filming in bright daylight and the sun's beating down on you. You should be able to still use it and still see what's going on the screen. And as full waveform monitoring, that's what it says there. So I'll quickly show you around the box. Nothing to see on the sides, just numbers and bit of information on the box. Bit of information on the back. It says technical parameters. So with that, I'm going to do the unboxing. Right, and I didn't have a knife out, so I've got a knife. I'm just trying to think the best way to cut the shrink wrap off without damaging the packaging, because I don't like to damage the packaging. So, oh, is that a little sleeve? So that's a little sleeve. Got a nice picture on the front of what it is. I'm just trying to get this out. Like I said, I don't like to damage the packaging. So yeah, shows you what you're actually getting. And it says on the bottom, best view, or something, or Desview. Well, it says best view there. I think it's supposed to say Desview, but it says best view. I don't know. So just a plain white box on the inner side. We want to see what we're getting for the money. So, oh, nice bit of protection there. It comes with a bit of padding, and that looks good. So it's obviously in 2 languages. I'm assuming that's Chinese, but I could be wrong. It says this is a full touchscreen high brightness monitor, and number 2 says after the monitor is turned on, continuously tap the screen twice or swipe from left to right to bring up the menu interface. You go like that, or you go like that. Touch on any screen besides menu to exit menu interface. So if you've got the menu screen up, you just touch on the right hand side where there's no menu, and it would just turn itself off. So yeah, it looks really nice. What's this say? Please peel off this mask after application completed. Okay. So yeah, so it's nicely presented inside. It's quite bulky actually. It's quite thick. So it's got a tripod connection there, and a tripod connection on the bottom. And it also comes with a USB. So that looks like a USB 1 or 2. Has a power connection on the other side, with your in and out HDMI connections, and it doesn't. Oh, it does. So you have DC input. It tells you what it is. So that is HDMI out, and that's HDMI in, and as a battery pack as well. So hopefully that will be in the box, and we'll have a look in a second. And then on the top you have your on-off power switch, with your wheel for scrolling up and down, and you have exit and F1 and F2. That's what it shows on there. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. Quite bulky. Bulkier than I thought it would be. But like I say, get what you pay for, so it could be good quality. It looks like it might even have a reset button there. I'm not sure what that is. Could be a mic, could be a reset button. I don't know. So that's the device. Let's see what else you get in the box. And it's got a little flap there. Got a little hole there, so get that out of the way. So it helps you get that out, I would have thought. Hopefully, anyway. It's a little flip up. Ooh. some more goodies. So what's this? Feels like a bag. Could be wrong, could be right. Feels like a bag. Oh, it is a bag. So, it comes with a nice little bag. No scent to it. Oh, it says best view on the front. So, best view there. And, yeah, quite nice. Nicely lined. Nothing special, but nicely lined. Comes with an Allen key. Oh, you get the silica. Do not eat it. We'll throw that away. Save that for later. You get a mount. So this will be a standard mount. So this will be for when you put it on your tripod or wherever else you're going to put it. So again, that's quite a weighty item. So that's metal. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I quite like that. It's quite nice. It's got a locking wheel. It says M3 on the side. Yeah. Oh, that's for the Allen key, right? So that's for the Allen key. So you can adjust the tension, I would have thought. Oh, comes with a wipe. I'll leave that in the bag actually. So a nice little wipe there. Wipe your screen. And the USB. And the USB is for, which I thought was quite a good idea when I read about this and watched a couple of videos. The USB is, if you want to update the firmware or the software inside, you can do that through that. And also as settings for different cameras, which I thought was really good. Depending on what camera you connect it to, you know, it should have the software inside it for that camera, which I thought was a good little touch. And what you got here? So this will be, this looks like your power. And I'm not sure how we use this, because I've never used one of these before. But we are looking forward to getting a new camera this year. Hopefully very soon. Nothing wrong with my old camera, but I want to upgrade my cameras. And we'll be using that. So not sure how I'm going to use this yet, but we will work it out. We will be using the battery for a while. But yeah, there's your power. So it's on a stretchy. And what else you got? So you got two HDMI connections here. Yeah. Doesn't look like it comes with a battery, but we have quite a few batteries here anyway. So yeah, HDMI. It shouldn't be too long. Probably about 500mm, something like that. At a guess. I would say it's probably 500mm. Gold connections on each end. Look really nice. And this will probably be the same. HDMI. So it should be identical. Ah, it's a smaller one. So yes. So that's a smaller one. So that would be to go into your camera. Perfect. We will be trying that out. So that's that done. Nothing else in the box. So I thought it might have come with a battery, but it doesn't. And I wasn't sure whether it did or not, because I didn't see no reviews saying whether it did or not. But we do have a battery that will fit that. So first impressions, I think it looks really nice. I'm looking forward to playing about with it, which is what we're going to do now. Right, so I've got a battery. Told you I had a battery. And what you do, you plug it in there, push it home, so it locks into place. There's a little lock there at the back, and that's locked in place. That's not coming out, so it won't come out. And the way you do it is there's a little button on the back, so you just hold that in. Allows you to release it. I thought that is a really good little feature. So you can either do mains or battery. Like I say, I've got the battery anyway. Oh, it's come on. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Right, so we'll quickly turn it off, because I'm not ready for it yet. Okay, so it's saying it's turned off, it's in standby mode. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a quick read up of it, have a look, play about it. Actually, I'll take the screen off first. What's it say? Please peel off this mask after application completed. Right, so let's see how responsive it is on the touchscreen. So first of all, we turn it on. Green light. Give it a few seconds. It should be ready, so I should just double tap. Oh, that was fast. Let's see how accurate it is on the touch. Yes, that's pretty good. Right, so it's plugged into my video camera, and we're going to plug it into here in HDMI in. Turn it on. Cut a second, get a green light. Wait for the screen to load up. So it says Desview. Pretty sure it says Desview, not Best View or Best View. I don't know. Not sure on that one. It should. Oh, there you go. So it should just start up straight away. Oh, you can actually hear talking. Hello? Yeah, you can actually hear it. So you can actually hear me talking. I'm not sure what that is at the moment. Looks like a clock, doesn't it? Let's go full screen. So yeah, so it shows you quite a lot of information. That's normal screen. No settings to change it. Double tap it. And there's broke it. Double tap it. Audio meters. So you've got an audio left and right. So it shows you. That's really good. That's quite nice. Waveform. Got RGB. Luminous. Close. Mark ready. You got your lux. Peaking. You can change it coloured, so if you just want like that, yeah. So you got red, green, blue, white, or close it. It's normal. Zebra. Do we want zebra on? We don't need anything on. See zebra? See the lines in the back? See that over there? So that's what's called zebra. Let me close that so it's gone. False colour. Spectrum. Ooh. That looks pretty cool. I quite like that. We've got system configurations. 20 seconds. Latest durations and language. We've got it in English. So it has a lot going for it. I'm quite impressed actually how good it is. So right, I've had a little play about it. There's a lot of options for me to go through, and the video would be too long if I start telling you all about all the different options. So I had a little play about it, and yeah, I think it's excellent. I like the fact it's got a screw in on the side as well as on the bottom for your tripod or wherever you want to mount it. I like that idea. I think it's very good. It comes with everything you need. Doesn't come with a battery. I know I wanted to use a battery just to test it out, so luckily I've got loads of batteries, so you might want to invest in buying yourself a battery before it turns up or when you order it. HDMI in, HDMI excellent, so it does a straight pass through. 1000 nits, I think well, that's good, so perfect for being outside. It should stop most of the glare, won't stop all of it, but most of it should help quite a lot. So yeah, first impressions, I'm really impressed. I like it. It's a lot of money, 250 quid, don't get me wrong, or just under. But you get what you pay for. And with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe.